Hello everybody, we are here from Arca Restoration Services. It's who we are. Our crew is about to leave the place. We just finished nice and big house with the shrink wrap. I want to show you a little bit the difference between the shrink wrap and regular tarp. Insurance enforcing to put a regular tarp because it's cheapest for them. But in some houses we decide to install a shrink wrap for many reasons. Go to the website, you're gonna see what's the reason why we do. And one of the reason is that, look, right next door to the same house, look what happened to the tarp already. Start to fly. Look at the sandbag. Already start to slide down. Definitely is not safe. And look closely. You will see everything's about to fly. That's really dangerous. Compare this to the wrap. It's sitting tight, hanging tight, stronger, and is UV. When it's mean UV, it's protecting from overheating in the attic or inside the house, and is much stronger than any other. So if you like it, please don't hesitate. Call Arca Restoration 1-888-269-6915. Thank you for watching.